everyone. Today I am doing a compilation video of me doing some speaker strobes, having fun with them, and I have about like 5 speaker strobes and y'all about to see them go off with cool different messages. I hope you all enjoy the video. Let's get right into the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. An alarm has been activated. We are investigating the cause. Please remain calm and stand by near the speakers for further instructions.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire emergency reported in the building. Please evacuate the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevator.
Attention, please. There has been a report of an emergency. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and leave the building immediately. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells where necessary. All handicapped occupants shall use the building evacuation plan.
Attention! Attention! An emergency has been reported in this building. Please cease operations and leave the building utilizing the nearest exit or fire exit stairway. Do not use elevators. Repeat, do not use elevators.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit.
Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any suggestions on what should I do on my future videos on things like these, please leave them down in the comments below. And I really hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye everyone.